Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Huggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Anton's Land of Biltong, also known as King of Biltong. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of tasty items. Land of Biltong. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. All right, so their stuff comes in these Mylar bags. They recommend you order extra ice packs if you're in a warm environment or if you're ordering during summertime, just to make sure that your stuff stays cold while it's on the porch if you're not home to pick up delivery. And get these in the fridge right away until you figure out what to do with them. And they included a card, two sides. They do have an on-site building, so if you're in the area, check them out. And oh, they even left me a note. Thank you. So let's see. They also include care instructions. It's very important because even though they pack all these items separately, due to the temperature differences, possibly during shipping, there's possibly a condensation. So they do include lots of paper bags for you to, portion out and use the bags to help absorb that little bit of extra moisture to prevent any problems. But you can see here the instructions. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. Can't wait. Let's see what we got. So this order is primarily slabs. So we're going to get these large hunks of protein here. And like I said, order enough gel packs to keep it going. And these are reusable. So if you got a lunch box or, you got kids with lunch boxes, put these in the freezer and pop one or two in their lunch boxes, and their food won't spoil during the day, even if they're like on hot field trips or it's in a locker that's in the hallway, it's not air conditioned, etc. Anyways, let's take a look and see what we got here. You can see each slab has its little desiccant pack to help reduce moisture. You can see from the tightness, they're all vacuum sealed. They all are date stamped. And these are pretty up to date looking at that. So let's see what our selection today is. Got the yummy selection here. We got Angus slab of Biltong. So this is more with the stickers. They actually grade them as they come out of production. So you can actually tweak your order. Not only do you select the item, but you can actually tweak certain features about them. So this one with the Angus, I was able to order moist fatty because I just want that fat content and that little bit of not so hard but easier to chew and also quicker to dissolve, say in a soup or whatever you're working this into, if you're not just snacking right off the slab. This is US Wagyu, and this one I got moist but regular fat content. And recently they've introduced Peri Peri slabs, so I got an Angus Peri Peri. No options on this one. I just took a straight up whatever came off production there. But just to give you an idea, you are getting a slab, 16 ounces by weight. You can see the instructions there. You can see the ingredients. Key thing for me is I don't see that word nitrate anywhere, right? And I can actually pronounce everything on there. Let's compare the ingredients on the Wagyu. You see there too. Warning, it does contain sulfates because that does occur in nature. And the Angus. See, this one has a little bit of honey in it too. But the main sodium thing appears to be sodium bicarbonate. So it's part of the preservation process. But just to give you an idea on what is available from Anton, you can see the various websites there. And feel free to check out the website. Always a large variety of items. There is also a sibling site, which is more of the actual grocery side. Items, spices, import items from South Africa. So all sorts of cool stuff there. So feel free to check all this stuff out from Anton's, Land of Biltong, also the King of Biltong. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage mill syrup tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curious or the Curious. Videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.